Hey guys, what's up? It's with great pleasure to announce the release of my 5th studio album, Sound Sorcery Volume 2. It's all being released on Friday night on March 20th at Comfy Necktie, right across the street from the Boom Room Studios. We're debuting a huge new dynamic in the form of a drum set with my boy Ryan, DJ Ha, playing drums. I can't stress the level of excitement that I'm feeling right now for this show, as well as live guitar and live saxophone from Jay Luber and Rob Potter. It's going to be a really great show. It also happens to fall on the Equinox, so come on out. It's going to be a great show. We're also playing with Sexy Black Female and also the Wonder Bars. So come out, and big shout out to Funkadelphia for putting this release on their label. I'm really excited, so I'll see you guys there. Peace.